heart of yours. Stop stubborn in your heart and hardened in your heart. You know you need Jesus Christ, but you are ashamed. You are ashamed of your family. What will they say about you? But remember, stool of Sakatola, it's yours alone. The day of your judgment, you are the only one who's going to sit on it. You are the one who's have to account. You won't account with your partner. You won't account with your family. You won't even account with your parents. It's only you now that has to account. And remember, the person that will judge you is Jesus Christ. How many times are you going to reject him? How many times are you going to reject him? He's counting all the days you are rejecting him. He's counting them. Remember, when you die, Papa, when you die, but you will never ever enter that place if you are not with Jesus Christ. You have to be with Jesus Christ. You have to declare him nowadays. We were baptized into churches, but if we look, a lot of us, but the relationship with Jesus Christ is none. Relationship with Christ. That's why I'm calling you today that you hear these words. These words where it's coming to you and directly at you and becomes remember, the choice is yours. But remember, he is the only one that will take you to the Father. Now you are choosing a way of condemnation. You are on the way that goes to hell.